Alright, this grill, I didn't get a chance to clean it before the season. We're at the end of August. So, literally, whatever was cooked this summer. And last year, we got a scraper. Let's pull these grates off. Yeah, these grates are pretty bad. You wouldn't even know. This grill is in such bad shape. It's just like literally caked. Look at this. So bad. Stuff's just falling off. Alright, I want to take these all apart and pull the burners out and pull everything out. So even this, the top of these are, I don't know if you can see. All this grime, and look how thick this is. Ugh. Alright, let's get at it. Alright, let's pull out the grease trap. Probably gotta get my gloves on. Alright. I'm gonna pull out the tray now. Ooh. Look at that. Grease trap. A little gross. Of course, stuff on the top is what fell in, but it's filled with grease. Let's see what the tray. This tray pulls out. I was farting around with. I guess I could have pulled it out, didn't realize it. Better, but now I'm gonna fine tune it from up on top. Alright, get some paper towels. And I'm just gonna, with that bucket of mine, yeah, it's definitely 2 years worth of yuck. I guess I like that. Dogs will like that down there. I actually got to get good hose bibs on my house. I do have exterior spigots, but they're not frost proof, so they're just a regular gate valve shut off. That's all they are. And I want to change them to frost proof because there's an internal shut off, internal gate valve to shut off that other valve. That's good enough. You know, it doesn't have to be spotless, but good enough. I totally forgot that that came out like that. Totally forgot about that. Oh well. Maybe next year. Grease trap's all cleaned. Or the collector bin. That's all set. Slide that back in. That's it. I think that's how it's recheck. Woo! Yep. That'll take care of that. Well, it's getting better. I just gotta wipe the I just have to wipe the surrounding of the grill a little bit. I'm just gonna use a paper towel. I'm not gonna like get too crazy. The main thing is I just didn't like all that crap on the bottom, and yeah. I know it's just, of course, the tray's getting, it's all falling on the tray again. I could pull that tray out again and just stamp it off. I really like to take this one off. I'm just not getting too crazy. This is kind of just a quick clean. There's definitely a lot of crud for sure. Yeah. Yep. It's good enough for me. Now, how do I clean the burners and everything real good? What I'll do is I'll turn the grill on, and I will get everything super hot. I think I'm gonna have to go and buy another new, what do you want to call it, scraper or whatever, because the one I have pretty wore out, like wore out to the max. It's like really nothing left. Yeah. I'm not trying to make the grill look brand new again. I'm just trying to be diligent. Just get all that over built up scrap. I'm gonna shake off that. Of course, more soft's gonna come off, so I guess it's not even worth. I can put everything back in, turn the grill on, let it get to 500 degrees, and then I'll scrape all these grates to the best I can. And I'll show you my scraper. It's pretty wore out. Let's get it out of here. See that? There's really nothing, not much steel wool left. Maybe I'll go to a hardware store and get them. Well, the right way to do it, let me go get a new one. I get a whole new grill set. You know, it's been left outside, unfortunately, and getting battered from the weather. So I'm gonna get a new one. Alright, so I'm gonna put everything back together and then run to the store. I turned the grill on, I got a scraper. There's a bunch of little stuff on the bottom. So I scraped off the grill, but much better. That's it. Cleaning the grill.